This recipe is super simple. Sliced marinated beef is wrapped around a shrimp, then grilled for 2 minutes. You can enjoy this dish as a spring rolls variant with herbs and rice noodles, wrapped in rice paper and with spring roll dipping sauce. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To prepare the beef marinade, mince the shallot. In a mixing bowl, put the beef thin slices, the minced shallot, the fish sauce, the sugar, and the pepper. Mix all together. Keep this marinade in the fridge while preparing the other ingredients. Mince the spring onion, peel the shrimp by keeping their tail. To prevent the shrimp from bending during cooking, cut them slightly 3 times on the belly. Spread a slice of marinated beef on the board. Put on the shrimp. Round it up. Now, start by frying the spring onion. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the spring onion. Stir for 20 seconds. Cut the fire. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan heated over high heat. Spread the oil over the surface of the pan. When the oil is hot, put the wrapped shrimp. Grill for 1 minute on one side, then 1 minute on the other. Put them on the plate with the side dishes. Pour the fried spring onion on the shrimp. Also pour some on the rice noodles. Add the spring rolls dipping sauce in a small bowl. Everything is ready. We can start eating. Dip a rice paper in hot water. Put salad, mint leaves, basil leaves, cilantro, garlic leaves, rice noodles, vegetable pickles, a wrapped shrimp. Remove the tail. Round it up. Dip the roll in the sauce. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.